Meet the Agave sisalana, aka Sisal Agave, a bold, fast-growing accent with a serious work ethic. This tropical agave reaches up to 6 to 8 feet tall and wide, with huge green leaves that demand attention, perfect for that dramatic desert centerpiece. It thrives in open sun or part shade with well-draining soil, and matures fast, shooting up a towering bloom stalk in just 7 to 10 years. But here's the cool part. Its leaves produce sisal fiber, the stuff used in ropes, twine, mats, even brushes. The sap? Historically used for booze, medicine, and even food when cooked. Tough and talented. It's hardy to about 28 degrees Fahrenheit, but dies off at 23, so it's best for zones 9 to 11. Come grab the Sisal Agave at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call us at 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing.